Guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you a copy paste method that you can use to make money online in step-by-step process. So if you use this method properly, then you could literally stop working and keep on making money by using this method. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and do like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, then please do comment below. And if you want to create a passive income for yourself, then do check some links in my description. I'll give there some link that can be extremely useful for you. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go to fiverraffiliates.com, and you can simply type Fiverr affiliates, then you can reach to this site, and you should sign up to this site and get your affiliate link for Fiverr. Okay, I'll talk about everything. Okay, first thing that you need to do is this: you need to sign up to Fiverr affiliates and get your affiliate link. So Fiverr is a platform where lots of freelancer give their services like writing articles, doing social media marketing, video and animation, lots of things people do from by becoming a seller at Fiverr. And you should also visit to fiverr.com and create an account on Fiverr, and then you can click on this icon and click on become a seller and start your own gig of writing articles. Don't worry, you don't need to write an article. I'm just going to explain what you are going to do. So here you can see article and writing, articles and blog post. You can create a gig that is similar to this. So now it may seem hard, but it is not. Okay, so just follow with me in this video in a step-by-step process, and you'll understand each and everything, and your mind will be totally blown. So just create your own profile of a seller, okay, and write these things. I'll write an article for cheap, like $5, $10. Okay, you can start this kind of gig in fiverr.com. So if you need a proper guidance on creating account on Fiverr, you can search for other tutorials related to creating an account on Fiverr and Fiverr affiliate program. You will easily get it. And then firstly you will sign up to this Fiverr affiliate, and then you will sign up to this fiverr.com and start your own gig. So now, for example, let's say someone order you to write an article for $10. Okay, so then what you need to do is you need to go to this writersonic.com and sign up to this writersonic.com, and you'll get up to 10 free credit to use in this writersonic.com, and it will cost you like $15 per month to write up to 50,000 articles. Okay, sorry, 50,000 words in article words. Okay, so if you click on this sign up to this platform for free, and if you write, let's say Fiverr orders, let's say, and click on add new project, so the project is created. So now you can click on AI article. So artificial intelligence will write article for you. Okay, so real people are going to order here. Okay, and then you are going to use this writersonic to write articles. So now this writersonic is going to write an article that sounds like totally a human being have wrote that article, and if you read the whole article, then you cannot differentiate between a person written article and a AI written article. Okay, so it is extremely helpful, and it is also good in the perspective of SEO. So the people who are going to order this gig, your article writing gig, they are going to love this, and they will keep on ordering you for writing article. So you can select 2.0 or 3.0, whichever you would like. Okay, so let's select this article 2.0. So now in step 1, so let's say they gave you about writing an article on how to save money. So for example, this is a title that they have given. Now you can simply click on generate ideas. So let's wait for some time. So it cost us 1 credit, and you'll see here lots of title are given: 7 tips for the real world, how to save money and still have it all, 5 tips for saving money and making your budget, how to save money, the ultimate guide. Okay, let's select this as a title. Okay, and then you can just create an article in few minutes. Okay, so now you can create an intro. If you click on here, then you'll see intro at here. Let's wait. So there are lots of intro created. Now you can read any and select one, okay, that you like. So our headline is ready, our intro is ready. Now it's time for outline, okay, how the article will be. So let's click on generate outline, and then you can see it will look like this. Okay, so let's say you click on there. So now you have created title, intro and outline. So now it's time to create this article. So now it costs like $7. So if you click on here, then you can see. So let's wait for some time. So it may take few seconds. Okay, so let's wait for some time. So there is a 926 words article is written at here. So let's see. So now you can literally copy this and deliver this article to the people, to the person who have ordered you this in Fiverr. Okay, in it is as simple as this to do. So now whenever you are starting a new gig, then no one is going to come to order with you. So for that, what you can do is, let's go to YouTube. So now if you remember, I have previously told you to sign up to this platform, that is Fiverr affiliate also, and you can get like $10 to $15 per sign up, per paid sign up that you bring to this Fiverr. Okay, so now once you go to Fiverr, and once you go to YouTube, again this internet is becoming slow. Okay, so now our article is ready. So now let's go here, and so now what you can type is article. So let's say hire article writer. So let's hit enter, and there are lots of videos that have already been in YouTube. Now you can click on filters, and then you can click on Creative Commons. So let's wait for some time. So now here you can see 4 best article writing website. How to get your first book written with ghostwriting company. How I got hiring a writer. Okay, just let's only type article writer for now, and then my internet again became slow. So let's click on this Creative Commons, and how to write article for website. Okay, so let's say this video is inside Creative Commons. So now what you can do is you can simply click on this video, and then you can pause it. Okay, you can watch this video if you want, and then what you can do is you need to download this video. So this is a video that is inside Creative Commons. Now if you see what Creative Commons is, then you can edit and reuse this kind of video, or you can directly reuse this kind of video. Okay, let me pause this for once. Okay, so now once you open this video, then what you can do after this dot type ss. Okay, so the reason you need to type this ss is you need to download this video, and if you type ss and hit enter, then you will be able to download this YouTube video. So now see, so now what you can do is you can simply click on download, or you can wait for your processing the link to download, stay on this page, on the page. So you can wait for some time. So again let's click on download. So this is the article. Now you can simply download this, this is the video. You can simply download this video. Now you can create your own YouTube channel and then upload this video and give a little bit different title, and you can also create a thumbnail by using free Canva. canva.com. It is absolutely free to use. Okay, you can create this kind of thumbnail, or if you don't want to use thumbnail, leave it. You can just use the title, and in description you can put your affiliate link for Fiverr. Okay, and then you can also put this gig link. Okay, the link where people can order you in Fiverr. Okay, so now you can also use the OBS studio like this, and if you don't want to use this face camera, you can simply delete this, and you can just record a video related to writing article, or how to hire people to write article for cheap price. You can make that kind of tutorial and in YouTube, and give the link of your Fiverr gig and this Fiverr affiliate, and the either of the link that people click, and if people buy your gig, you will be making money by using Writersonic, and if they order by using this special link, that affiliate link of Fiverr, then also you will make money from Fiverr affiliate program. So now if you are using this kind of video that are in Creative Commons, then what you need to do is you need to add this also in description. So I would like to tell you to pause this video, okay, and type everything original video, give the link of the video, license under Creative Commons by attribute 3.0, https creativecommons.org, licenses by 3.0. For any copyright concern, contact us at our email address this, and we'll act upon your query immediately. So if someone contact you related to the Creative Commons video and they tell you to take that video down, then you can simply take that video down and leave it and run your YouTube channel with other Creative Commons video that you will keep on finding on YouTube. Okay, so in this way you can follow everything that I have told you in this video, and you can make money, and you can literally stop working. This can be a little bit long procedure, but it will help you to make good amount of money in long term. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video, and if